Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will learn how we can check if a file or folder exists to a location. So for that, we need OS module. So let's import it, import OS. And I have a folder named as ABC and file named as abc.txt. Now we will check if these exist or not inside the Python file. So how we can do that? So for that, first, let's take it file as abc.txt and check if it is existing at that location or not. Because we are at the same location, you can give the absolute path location as well. So to check if this exists or not, what we can do, we can give, let's have a conditional statement here instead of checking true or false. So we can have os dot path dot exist. So this is the method that you can use and ask for file. If os.path.exist file, then print yes, it yes file exists, right? And if in case if it does not exist, then print file not exist, right? Let's run this. Now you can see yes file exists because file is available here. For now, let's delete this file, right? And now run this. So there is no abc.txt at this location. Run this. Now you can see file not exist. So this is how you can check if a file exists or not. Similarly, we can do with the folder as well. So we have ABC folder here. Let's do for that also. Folder equals to ABC we can give, right? Because we have folder ABC here. And then we can copy paste this condition again for this folder only, and instead of file let's give folder. Let's give folder here and here as well, right? Run this. Now you can see yes folder exists because folder is available here. Let's delete that also and see if it is saying not exist. Run this. Now you can see folder not exist. So this is how you can check if a file or folder exists at a location or not. You can give absolute path also to the file or folder. Thank you.